Hi, my name is Divya. I'm an IGCSE student at Wolsey Hall. I joined Wolsey Hall so I will be able to pursue my other interests such as reading, writing, painting, baking, and I was even able to attend a 6-month fellowship program. I'm really thankful to Wolsey for providing me the space that helps me learn in my own method and to also pursue my other passions which I don't feel I would be able to do if I'd gone to normal school.
Yeah, and I really enjoy how you really look forward every day with Wolsey Hall and how you're always chatting with your friends from there.
The forum platform is one of the best. It makes everyone feel included. You have all kinds of just topics to talk about for every kind of person, all of their interests. From gamers to readers. Oh, the library, you must check it out. It's one of my favorite places in Wolsey Hall. I feel the Wolsey Hall clubs and competitions are taken into account everything and everything from every corner of the world and makes everyone feel included.
I love especially the climate change related competition they had where you had to express something about climate change through art. Remember you painted your face?
Oh yeah, I had. That was really fun. I really was happy I was able to do that and contribute in some way and to spread a message. I feel Wolsey Hall is a good place in that since it has an international audience and has such a wide approach and makes everyone feel like they're making a difference. And I think for young leaders like and change makers like us, that's a very important thing. All the resources Wolsey Hall has provided to make every learning type feel like they are thought of has been a very thoughtful experience. And I'm so glad because the quizzes, I really enjoyed doing the quizzes and the worksheets. They're really fun to do and I'm really thankful that I get to do them. The tutors always encourage me to do well and to want to make myself better, to push myself forward, and it's not just about the grades. They've always made me feel like I need to learn, I need to understand, and it's not just that I get good marks. And I feel that is very important. Wolsey Hall has also made me get lifelong friends, and I'm so glad that I was able to do that. All my connections, my tutors, and my ability and the space they provided me to take my time to discover myself and to go through my own struggles, to let me have those bad days where I really have no motivation to study. I'm really glad Wolsey was able to let me do that because it makes me feel so much more listened, heard, and accepted for who I am. They're always ready to be there for me and to always help any of their students through any of their struggles. And I'm really thankful for the effort they put and the amount of care they take into making everyone feel included. I really feel like you're the community and I'm so glad I joined.